Welcome, students, to Falas Adverse, where we make learning simple, smart, and stress free. Let's begin. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. So, we are welcome back with a new video. So in this video we are going to actually solve some of the hard problems in quadratic equations. The topic is equations that are reducible to a quadratic equation. Basically the thing is, you might see a question like this in exam. Let me write the question so that you know what I'm talking about. So you have to solve each of the following equations by firstly rewriting the now the first part you're gonna get the question till here. The part after by first, that is of my own. So what you have to do is you have to first rewrite the equation given into quadratic form. And what is quadratic form? I have written the quadratic form here, that is the journal form. The journal form is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So basically, अगर एक part दे दिया जाए which looks like this. Let me just see the question. Here it is. 6 upon x square plus 13 over x equals 8. So this is the equation that you have. You have to solve it and you have to find x. How will you do that? So there can be two ways to solving this question. The first way to solve this question is very simple. You want to convert this equation into this form, right? A journal form of quadratic equation. You simply multiply both sides by x square. Multiply both sides by x square. How do we do that? Let's see. X square multiply 6 over x square plus 13 over x, and 8 multiplied by x square is 8x square. So when you multiply x square by x square, so I can write it like this and I can write it like this. So x square is x square, cut, you get 6 here and you get 13x equals 8x square. What do we do next? So what we do next is simply दूसरी साइड पे लेके चले जाएंगे. 8x square minus 13x minus 6 equals 0. Now what we can see is the journal form, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Next what you do is you simply put this equation into your quadratic formula, which is this. I am writing the journal quadratic formula here. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. In this case, your a is 8, your b is minus 13, your c is minus 6. You put all these into this quadratic formula and you will get your answer. So bracket में you get minus 13, minus बाहर है, plus minus under root minus 13 square minus 4 into 8 into minus 6 upon 2 into 8. So denominator mein you have this. Now let's simplify it further. Minus minus plus, so this becomes plus 13. Plus minus, let's solve this part. So minus 4 into 8 will be, it will be 32. 32 into minus 6 will be minus 92. So minus minus plus, so plus 92 here. And 13 ka square is 169 and minus minus ka square is plus. So 169 plus 192 will be, it will be 361. So plus 13 plus minus under root 361 over 16 equals x. Let's solve it further. So under root of 361 is 19. So x equals 13 plus 19 over 16. One value of x will be this and another value will be 13 minus 19 over 16 equals this. Why minus? Because there will be two answers of under root 369. One is plus 19 and another is minus 19. So these are your two answers. Finally, one is 2 and another is minus 3 over 8. Let's solve another part that is a little tricky, and we'll first convert it into the basic quadratic form and then solve it further. Okay, so we have our second part here where you have x minus 5 over 2x on left hand side and x minus 4 over 3 on right hand side. So what you simply do is you do cross multiplication. So yeah, you will multiply this denominator 3 to the other side like this. 3 into bracket x minus 5, and this denominator 2x will be multiplied to the right hand side, which looks like this. So 2x into x minus 4. So on this side 3 into x, 3x, and 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 equals to right hand side is 2x square and minus 2 4s are 8. So minus this. Then let's put everything on one side. So 2x square minus 8x minus 3x, because I am trying to take this side to the other side. So plus minus, and then minus 15 is plus 15 equals 0. So finally you will get minus 11x plus 15. So you can see that A equals 2, B equals minus 11, and C equals plus 15, right? So now let's plug it into our formula. Now what was our formula? I'll write it here again. So x equals minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. We'll simply put all of it accordingly. So we'll get so this is what we have. Now let's solve it and simplify it further. This becomes 121 because 11 ka square is 121 and the minuses becomes plus. So here when you multiply 4, 2 and 15, you will get 120. So 121 minus 120 will be 1. So what you will get here is 11 plus minus 1 over 4. Now we'll split it because you will get two values of x here. So now you can see it. So it will be 11 plus 1 over 4, 11 minus 1 over 4. This becomes 12 over 4. This becomes 10 over 4. Here it will be 3. Here it will be 5 over 2. These will be your two answers of x for your quadratic equation, and you will always get two answers whenever you have quadratic equations. Okay, so we have another tricky quadratic equation. Now right now though we only don't know कि quadratic equation है भी या नहीं, but what we'll do is whenever you have something like this where you have denominators में you have x minus 1, x minus 2, like you have variables inside, what is the simplest thing to do is you just write both of your denominator brackets like this, साथ में you multiply them together, and because यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में you just have x minus 1, you don't have x plus 2, तो ये x plus 2 इधर मल्टीप्लाई कर दो and ये x minus 1 इसके न्यूमरेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, and the rest is very easy. So what I said is that when you have two denominators like this, you make it into one single denominator, you multiply both the brackets like this, and ऊपर इसके न्यूमरेटर के इसके साथ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई basically. So what we will do next is we'll just open up everything. First multiply this with these two things and then this two. So this is 8x plus 16 plus 3x minus 3 equals 5 as it is. And then for denominator as well, first this multiply with these two. So x multiplied by x is x square plus 2x. And then the second term of your first bracket minus 1 ko bhi with both of them. So you will get minus x minus 2 like this. Let's simplify it further. यहाँ पे 8x है plus 3 है. You can plus them together and you will get 11x plus यहाँ पे 16 है minus 3 है. So इसको भी subtract करके simplify लिख देते हैं. You will get 13 अपॉन नाउ एक्स स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे देखो प्लस एक्स माइनस टू इक्वल्स 5, इसको दूसरी साइड ले जाएंगे, मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे एंड बस ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. अब so 5 को basically you multiply with the whole denominator that you had and it will be 5x square plus 5x minus 2. And now you can put all of the things on one side. So 5x square plus 5x minus 11x minus 2 minus 13 equals 0. 5x square minus this you will get 7x minus 15. ओके यहाँ पे 6 आएगा, 7 नहीं आएगा. लास्ट में बस आप सिंपली इसको उस क्वाड्रेटिक वो जो क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला है उसमें पुट कर देंगे और बाकी यू कैन सिंपली पुट इट इन कैलकुलेटर एंड यू कैन गेट योर आंसर. So simply put all of this into the calculator and you are simply going to get your answers. एक पॉजिटिव में एक आंसर के लिए आप पूरा इसको लिखो विद पॉजिटिव साइन हियर बिफोर स्क्वायर रूट और एक में आप माइनस के साथ लिखो. यू विल गेट बोथ ऑफ योर आंसर्स. दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू. जज़ाकल्लाह. बाय. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's make maths stress-free, simple and easy. Let's ace maths together. Thanks for watching.